Hello health buddies, today I bring to you a widely common street food of India, kulcha. However, this is a healthier alternative to the street food. Let's see how. You need 1/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup of starter, since this is a sourdough kulcha with whole wheat and bajra. Now stir the starter into the water very well so that it is all mixed. And if you are yet to start your sourdough journey, do start it right now. You will be happy for your decision. Now add one half teaspoon of salt. I have used black salt here. You can use normal salt. Now we'll need 1 tablespoon of oil. I have used olive oil. Stir it really well, and next we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of bajra or pearl millet flour. And if you don't have bajra, then you can skip bajra and add oats instead, or any flour of choice. That won't make any difference, so you can choose any flour of choice here. And you must try to include millets in your diet. Now we need 1 cup of whole wheat flour, and 1 cup measures 240 ml. Mix it really well, and then we'll need to knead it for 5 minutes. Knead it just like a roti dough. That will also work for this recipe. And if you are experienced in bread dough kneading, then you can knead it the way you knead your bread dough. But at this stage you can knead it as a roti dough as well. That will work just fine at this stage. I felt it was slightly tight, so I added 1 tablespoon extra of water at this stage, and then kneaded it again for 1 to 2 minutes until it was smooth and pliable. Now roll it into a ball and then shift it to a box that can be stored in the refrigerator for 6 to 8 hours. And after refrigeration it looked like this. And then I kept it outside for 2 hours and it almost doubled in size. Now cut it into 4 pieces, since we will be making 4 kulchas out of it. Cut it into 4 pieces and then roll it again. So you should start your sourdough journey. If you don't want to start your sourdough journey, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of yeast instead of the starter. Now stretch and pull, push and pull, and then we'll be gently pressing it with hands so that we can add the stuffing. And I have used onion stuffing for the first kulcha that I baked on tawa. We can cover it for 10 minutes. After rolling it out, cover it for 10 minutes. Just allow it time to set. Now roll it out gently. Don't be hard on your dough, as we do with the cookies as well. Just press it gently, and then we'll need to add the stuffing. You can use any stuffing. For this recipe I have used onion and mint filling, and this is tomato paste. This is homemade tomato sauce turned into tomato paste. We killed all the water, and then it has been good for at least 3 months. Now add the stuffing. I have already shared the video to make homemade tomato sauce, and we killed the water, and this is what we are left with, tomato paste, and it has been good for 3 months, as I have said already. Now flatten it gently, be gentle, and then add sesame seeds. You can top it with nigella seeds if you want. Nigella is kalonji, sesame is til, and then press it so that the seeds don't fall while cooking. Now cook on the tawa and just cook like a roti. If you want to bake it on the tawa, then you can cover it. You can apply some oil and cover it with a lid and bake on a low flame, and you will get a baked kulcha on tawa as well. You can flip the side and again cover it until it looks baked. Smear some oil and your tawa kulcha is ready. Tawa atta kulcha is ready. Now we'll be making paneer stuffing. Add oil, 1 tablespoon oil, onion, ginger and mint. Then add salt and turmeric, nigella seeds, stir fry it. Now add tomato paste. I have made a very small batch, so the quantity is quite less. However, you can increase the quantity according to the amount you want to bake. Now add the scrambled paneer. This is again homemade paneer. This is actually like making paneer bhurji. You can add masalas of choice here if you want. I have kept it really simple. Mix it very well and done. Now add sesame seeds. And now we'll be stuffing the kulchas. And at this stage, preheat your oven air fry convection OTG to 180 degrees for 10 minutes. And for breads, your machine, your appliance must be extremely hot so that the yeast starts to act as soon as it is heated. Press it gently and then tuck the sides and then just roll it out into a ball and then flatten it gently, just like a kulcha. The way you get kulchas in the market. So don't keep it too thin as well. Now apply some oil and then nigella seeds, sesame seeds, and you can decorate it with mint leaves. This is completely optional. So please do try out sourdough starter series India that I have already shared a complete series on sourdough starter if you are yet to get started with it. It is chemical free bread baking. Now bake, brush with some oil or milk. I chose olive oil, and then bake for at least 20 minutes. Then remove it, check it. If it looks slightly brown, it won't be too brown, slightly brown, remove and then cover with a moist towel for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes it's ready for munching. Very soft, yummy, and so good. It tasted so yum. So I'll be sharing the link above as well as in the description to my sourdough starter India series. If you are yet to get started, do try out sourdough bread making in India and you will love it. You will not look back again. I hope you like this kulcha bread recipe sourdough. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Until next time, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.